Hi everyone. Welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel. Today we don't have a new watch to unbox, but we do have an aftermarket silicone strap made for the Casio W-218H. The strap costs only about $2.54 each, so I bought 3 of them. 1 green strap to match the Casio W-218H, and 2 cream-colored straps as extras. Let's reveal the contents of this package all the way from Wuhan, China. Each strap came with a free spring bar tool and a pair of 18mm spring bars. The 2 cream-colored straps are backups in case I need to change the strap on any of my 14mm lug Casios. Let's start with the green strap. Originally, the green Casio W-218H was shipped with a black silicone strap, which didn't match the case. So, I bought a green nylon band to match the case, but I had to modify it by cutting the edges to fit the 18mm lug size, as the nylon strap was 20mm wide. The green silicone strap seems to be of good quality, almost matching the original. The pattern and styling resemble the original Casio strap. But it has a shiny black buckle instead of a matte one like the original. The size appears to be a good match. Now, let's remove the nylon strap and replace it with the silicone one. The first one is done. You can see where I cut the edge to fit the lug on the case. We are using the original spring bars, as I doubted the quality of the free ones. It's clear that the finished workmanship on the strap lacks quality control, especially on the lug side. However, it's only $2.54, so I'm not too concerned. Only time will tell if these straps are good. The first part of the strap is securely fixed. As you can see, the strap matches the color of the case, similar to the original. However, when compared to the original, the biggest differences are in workmanship and quality control. The original has a clean and smooth surface, while the cheap strap from China is rough and muddled. The original also has some numbers, while the cheap strap has none. Let's move on to the next strap. Got it in and secured. At a glance, it matches the original strap if you don't look too closely. The feel of the strap is similar to the original, but only time will tell. Now, let's see the watch with the new strap on my 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad, the watch looks better with the matching green strap. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and hit that like button. See you in the next video. Bye for now.